How to download Telegram in laptop. I will show you in this video how to do that. So subscribe to my channel. So go first thing to Google, type Telegram PC and go to the first result. So I will click Telegram. So I will click here, get Telegram for Windows 60-bit, or you can get the portable version. Okay, so I will click on Windows, but for the other platforms, you have Telegram for macOS and Windows 60-bit, 64, and Linux, and also the portable version for Windows. For me, I will download this version. I will click here and then download Telegram is started. Okay, so this is how you download Telegram in laptop, step by step, quick and easy. Okay, so the download it's done here, as you can see. I will go to the downloads, double click here. Okay, here choose English or your language that you want to use the on Telegram. For me, I choose English. I click OK, and here click next, and check here create a desktop shortcut if you want that. Click next and install. And right now the Telegram is installing on the laptop. So just few minutes. Okay, so click here finish and check on launch Telegram. So right now I will show you how to log in to your Telegram account. Okay, so click on start messaging. So if you want to log into your Telegram account and you have it on your phone, so just go to your phone. Okay, so here we are on the phone. So I will go to Telegram, go here, go to settings, and after that scroll down, go to devices and click link desktop device. Click on it and scan the QR code, and as you can see, auto successful. So here they want your cloud password, so put your password, or put your password, and after that you can log in to your desktop or Telegram account on laptop. So this is how to download Telegram in laptop. Quick and easy tutorial. Subscribe my channel if you like the video, and share the video with your friends and like. Thank you.